Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to debug a JavaScript program. So we will discuss the different methods that we can use to debug. So the first, let's start. The first method we can use is alert. We can alert anything on this browser and see what are the value contained in any variable during the execution of the program. So let's say there is a variable v1 and its value is 12. If I want to see the value of this variable during the execution of the script, I can I can use alert method and pass this variable one as an argument. So let's execute this program. Here you can see that the value of the variable is alerted here. So when you right click on the browser, you can see an inspect element here. On clicking it, the developer tools will be opened here on the right side of the browser, and you can see console, elements, sources. In sources, a file is loaded here. Whatever the script file we are using, it's loaded in the source tab. So this is the local host server. In that local host server, we have EP directory, and in that directory we have debug.php, our script file. So this is a script file. So now if I change this value of the variable, now variable 1 is changed to 23. Now if I again alert here, and if you execute the program, you can see that its value is firstly its value to 12, and in the second alert we can see its value has changed to 23. So this is the console. Here we can see different console outputs, and the second method is console based. You can log any variable its value on the console using console.log method. So suppose I want to log the value of this variable on the console. So I can write console.log the value of this variable 1. So let's execute this program. So this is the first alert, and this is the second alert, and now I must see the value of the variable on the console now. So you can also see the 23 has been logged on the console. So this is another method, very important method that you can use to see the values of the variables. Now if I suppose change the value of the variable 1 to 34, and again log that onto the console. So this is the first alert, this is the second alert. Now you can see 23 has been logged here on the console, and after that 34. So the next method we can use is we can use breakpoints in the program. What are breakpoints? Breakpoints is just if you want to stop the execution of your script file at any point of time, you can use breakpoint. You can stop the execution at any instant. So let's suppose move to the open sources tab, and here open your loaded script file. Here you can see your file content. Now suppose I want to stop the execution of the program, this whole script file here at this point on the fifth line. The fifth line, I am going to stop this execution. So when I load this file again, I will I will see this alert, and after that you can see that the execution is stopped now, and see it's uh, loading the file till now, and you can see the value of this variable here also. Here the value is 12 is 23. It has changed to 23 at this point. Initially it was 12, and on execution of this third line, and after that fourth line, its value has been changed to 23. So here you can see that different icons are present. So this icon is to resume the execution, as it is stopped here by the breakpoint. You can resume the script file here on clicking on this icon. And if you want to move step by step, like I want to see what is the value on the next line, and here, and if you want to move step by step, you can use this, you can click on this icon here, and you can see that this down arrow here, it is used to move into any function, like I will tell you later on. uh, so let's move to onto the next line. Here alert is executed. Now the control has been transferred to this seventh line. Now here you can see that execution is stopped. Now move to the next line. You can see this line has been executed, and we should see the value of this variable here. So 23 has been logged here on the console. So let's move to the next line. Now the value of the variable has been changed to 34. Initially it was 12. After executing of this line, fourth line, its value was changed to 23. Now the value of this variable is 34. You can hover over the variable and see its value here. Now move to the next step. Now here the execution has been completely done. Your whole program has been executed, and you can see here 34 has been logged on the screen. Okay, so this was a breakpoint method. Now suppose I use the function here. I have a function here, function 1, and I will call here and pass this variable 1 into that function. I will alert here driver. So I'm stopping this tutorial here, and we will see in the next tutorial what how can we use those breakpoints. So thank you, friends.